Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Diamond Squad. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Opportunity is knocking. Now, this first company of this morning that I have for you guys, I have two jobs lined up for this video. So, this first company that I got for this morning is called Client of Insight Global. And they're a remote position, and they're paying for this job role. Well, the pay for this job role is going to be $25 to $30 per hour. It's a full-time job. And it's as an HR administrator. And the qualifications for this job is workday, 2 years required. And the benefits is 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, and vision insurance, you guys. Full-time job description. This is a 6-month contract position, permanent hire, must have 1 to 3 years of experience within an HR administrative role. Workday experience processing transactions in HRIS, hires, comp changes, promotions, termination, manager changes, etc. U.S. Federal I-9 verification experience with verification of employment, letter generation. Pluses is a formal E-Verify training. Day-to-day, a large cyber security company we support is currently offering a unique opportunity for a dynamic HR administrator to be a part of the HR operations team. This is an ideal opportunity for someone who has the passion for client satisfaction, great energy, and is driven to help build a meaningful experience for our employees. The successful candidate should work well in a team environment, be able to work independently, be highly organized, thriving in a high growth and fast-paced company, and bring innovation, critical thinking, process improvement, and enthusiasm to every aspect of the role. This position will be focused on being the first point of contact for HR, ensuring timely, accurate responses to questions, and working with the talent acquisition, finance, compensation, training, benefits, and service desk teams to provide best-in-class service to our organization. Now, this job is an 8-hour shift job, and they're hiring for one candidate for this role. They're urgently hiring, you guys. It just got posted today. So if it seems like something that you would like to do, if you can go ahead and apply. If it seems like something that you know someone else would love to do, go ahead and share and like and subscribe to my video, and comment down below and hit that notification bell. Now, the second job of today, right along with this job, is a company called Compassion. And they're hiring for this job role of talent acquisition coordinator. And it's a remote position. And the starting pay is $22 to $47 and through $28.09 per hour. The benefits of this job is 403B, health insurance, paid time off. And for this job right here, the full job description is here. The hiring range applies to U.S.-based employment and may be higher in certain U.S. geographical locations. Overview. This entry-level professional specialist implements recruiting strategies that fit the ministry's needs and budget considerations. Exercising discretions and skill in recruitment and talent acquisition, he or she conducts interviews in alignment with Compassion's policies and processes, using consistent communication strategies to proactively inform the people and culture per team and hire managers. This professional generally recruits paraprofessionals and support positions. At this level, the increment may still be learning and assisting with recruiting for higher level positions for his or her assigned location and generally works under the guidance of his or her supervisor or a more experienced specialist or as a team member or on larger projects. What will you do? Maintains a personal relationship with Jesus Christ, is a consistent witness for Jesus Christ, maintains a courteous, Christian-like attitude in dealing with people within and outside of compassion, and faithfully upholds Compassion's ministry in prayer. Acts as an advocate to raise the awareness of the needs of children, understands Christians' mandate to protect children, commits to and prioritizes child protection considerations in all decision-making tasks and activities across the ministry, abides by all behavioral expectations in Compassion's statement of commitment to children, child protection, and code of conduct, reports any concerns of abuse, neglect, or exploitation of children through Compassion's internal reporting process and appropriately supports responses to incidents if they occur. Assists with and sources diverse quality candidates gathered through networking, community relationship building, and direct sourcing for basic positions as determined by the business goals. Guides the candidate's experience through Compassion's recruitment process, representing Compassion's brand and culture to candidates throughout the process of recruitment, accomplished in part by timely communication, sensitivity to candidates' job search, and strict compliance with policy and legal requirements. Builds and maintains a network of potential candidates through advertising and relationship management, conducts in-depth interviews of potential candidates, demonstrates ability to anticipate hiring manager preferences and needs, practically coordinates with management, HR, business partner team, and talent acquisition team to understand short-term and long-term forecasts in order to design a sourcing and recruitment strategy for assigned paraprofessionals and support positions. Cooperates with business partners and compensation staff to compile market and internal equity compensation data to formulate compensation recommendation to hire managers and derive the final offer. Draws on expertise to guide interview teams throughout Compassion's recruitment and selection process. While work here, the mission: join a team that is motivated to release children from poverty in Jesus' name. Our benefits: receive generous paid time off, 110% contribution to a 403b retirement fund on top of your salary, excellent health care coverage, free short-term professional counseling, and more, and spiritual growth. Participate in regular chapel services, prayer groups, and department devotionals. And they just posted this today. They're hiring. They didn't say for how many candidates they're hiring for this position. And it's a company called Compassion. And the job role for this job is talent acquisition coordinator, to help with young children or children who may be in a bad situation, and to talk with them and get them out of the bad situation they're in. So the hiring pay range will be $22 to $47, $22.47, through $28.09. So that'll be all for these two jobs that I have today, you guys. Hopefully you guys will apply. And this is the company's website for Compassion. I will post it in the description box below. And like, subscribe, comment down below. Share if you like this content. drop a like. Just hit the like button. Just hit it. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next go. You guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. Opportunity knock, you guys. Let's go. Have a great, 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 great day.